Where has this guy been? Hey guys, it's been a little bit. I figured I'm more or less settled at the moment, and I figured it'd be a good time to do an update for the shop or lack thereof. You can see here now I'm recording a video in a small garage. So going from my 400 square foot shop to this is all house stuff back there, but so from here over to the garage door to over here. This is pretty much my little shop area. You can see behind my workbench. You can see this is the same workbench that was in the other shop. I got my other workbenches or storage places. I got some of my car stuff here. But I don't know if you can see it through the reflection. Maybe I'll go around. You can see the router is in there, and you can see drill press, ladder, a whole bunch of other random stuff, but mostly this is all house stuff for living in the house that I have now. Yeah, it's a rental, so not gonna be a permanent solution, but it's what I got now. But I figured it'd be a good time since I'm kind of settled, and it's been what, maybe 5, 6 months since I last uploaded. Got a few comments from viewers saying that, hey, we miss your videos, or hey, what's going on. So like I said, I got in my previous video, I got a new day job, so that's been pretty good. I got a new job. I really like it, but I had to sacrifice my shop. So that'll get solved or fixed in the future when I get a when I go buy a house. But as you guys probably know, that the housing market is just crazy right now. I keep staring at this, and I'll get to this in a moment. But I want to I made some notes I want to go over first. First thing is Instagram. So I did have an Instagram account for the shop, BGW Machine. I don't have access to that anymore. I got phished by one of my friends who was also phished, and luckily I was able to reset my password, but they had already turned on two-factor authentication, and because they didn't want to give it up, those codes, I'm kind of locked out. So I'm kind of iffy on whether or not I'll start another Instagram, or maybe I'll just keep pushing with the YouTube stuff. So if you've been trying to reach out or talk to me on Instagram or like my videos or pictures, I'm no longer on there. Oh yeah, one more thing that kind of helped delay me in making this video is I broke my foot. As you can see, I'm standing now in my socks. But I broke my foot, so that also delayed me. I had to be on crutches for a while and a boot and all kinds of stuff. But I'm done with that, so now I can really get into the shop stuff, because as you can see, I got to negotiate this little gap over here to get to my shop area, because the entrance to the garage is over there. But doing that in crutches with a broken foot is not so easy. What else we got? As you guys know, super small shop now. I don't even know how big this is. This is like, 10 feet across, maybe less. So with having a smaller shop, smaller area, I'm probably gonna be doing smaller projects. One of them being this guy. I got a new 3D printer. I figured it was about time to buy a new fancy, or like a plug and play kind of printer. I don't know where it's at. Actually, I think they're probably like way back there. But I got my OG printers that I've always had. But I figured I'm just gonna go with this because I got some plans with this. I haven't decided whether or not I'm gonna record video on like building this, because this is the unbuilt version of the kit. I gotta put it all together. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Maybe I'll make a video on it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. What else do I got? I got some other small projects. I think Arduino stuff, and then I'm thinking about building a robot arm. I got one in mind. Oh, there goes my phone. Oh well. Where'd it go? But again, I'm kind of curious too with this smaller shop if you guys would be interested in seeing smaller videos or other stuff. Let me know. Or hey, is there any other videos? Because I got this nice big bench top. My multimeter here. Let me put it away. But I am totally open to getting suggestions on smaller projects, whether it's 3D printer stuff. Excuse me. Which I kind of want to do some other printing stuff and smaller projects that involve 3D printing. Just get back into it, and I know I'm good at it. Smaller projects, things that you guys might want to see, until I get, a bigger shop and things to do. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a quick update. It's like, oh, it's almost 6 minutes already. So, yeah, just a quick spin around to see all my boxes and things that are stored away that I can't easily, open a drawer and get to it. But, yeah, as you can see, I don't have the Fadal in here. It's actually, my family took it. They have a farm, and they got a big building that I was able to store the Fadal on. So it's covered, it's put away, but unfortunately I'm separated from it. Same with the air compressor, the big Quincy 80-gallon. That's not in here. I got my old Craftsman one that I've had for years. So yeah, just a quick update, and let me know, guys. Let me know what you want to see, if you want to see anything. If not, then maybe I'll go back into hiding and do my own thing, and then come back when I have a shop. So anyways, good catching up with you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.